Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to remove green screen on Capcut Mobile. Now guys, do you have that video that came in green screen and you want to change the background to something else that will look lovely? Now stick to the end of this video. Now the first thing is to get to your Capcut and you are going to be tapping on new project. Now you want to select the background you would like the video to be on. Now I'm going to select my background and then I'll add it. This is optional, but I just like to do it. I'm going to add an effect. I just like the background to be blurry, but it's actually optional. So guys, after blurring my background, I'm just simply going to tap on overlay. Now you're going to add overlay, and then guys, you're going to be adding your green screen video. Now just tap on it, and as you can see, this is what the video is looking like. I'm just going to adjust the background to be on the same length with the video. So you want to tap on the video that has the green screen, and then you're going to adjust it to suit your screen size. Scroll over to where you see remove background. Now tap on the chroma key, and then you're going to pick a color. In our case, it's going to be green. I like to increase the intensity just a bit, and then that is good. Now I'm just going to play the video for you to see how it now looks like.
Critical part of success in any real estate transaction.
Now guys, this is how easy it is to remove green screen on Capcut Mobile. Easy, right? Now if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.